What's up guys, Jasmine here. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. In today's video, we are going to be doing a clean with me of the living room and dining room. Usually on Saturday morning is when I do any deep cleaning that I need to do. I had already cleaned the bathroom and the living room before I thought about filming this video, so you're not going to see that in this video today, but I'll try to get it for next week. I am not going to do a ton of talking in this video. I may pop on every now and then, but I really just wanted this to be some Saturday cleaning motivation with good music, so I hope you enjoy the video.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Oh, baby. And again and again and again and again and again and again, I play it on. Sing, 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 you gotta sing to believe it. Sing to believe it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sing, 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 if you can sing, you can feel it. Give in, get out, just go for the top. Sing along. Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing. Take it on. They've got a song, they hum along, and they have fun, fun, fun when they're moving to the beats. And it gets you in a dancing flow, and moving gets so easy, feeling easy to me. And it makes you kicking upwards slow, and living gets so easy, easy. And again and again and again and again and again and again, I play it on. Sing, 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 you gotta sing to believe it. in and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time, but when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times, set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. But we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the
Okay, as we start in the dining room and the living room are probably where we spend most of our time, and the dining room table turns into a free fall. We had some cushions from the patio and some stuff from the patio in the dining room because they came to power wash that week, and I had to take everything off of the patio, so I'm just putting that back out. But I wanted to mention that that is what happens. There's mail, there's fruit, there's water from Jeremiah's humidification bags, there's food that we ate this morning. It is a entire mess, but this is real life. guys, so this is pretty much the end of the video. As you can see, there's still trash that needs to go out in the corner, and the living room still has toys out. There are almost always toys out unless the twins are asleep. If you're a mom, you know there's no point in going in there and cleaning up because the toys will come right back out. So we let them have the day, and then once they go to sleep, we clean up their toys. Leave me a comment below and let me know what your cleaning schedule is. I aspire to be those moms that clean a little bit daily, so there's never a huge mess on the weekend or that one day a week where you have to clean a ton. But if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you guys in the next video.